Hey y'all, what's good? How's life been? So we got lesson 4 today from the computer science curriculum. We're gonna review binary from last time. So who remembers all the lessons we've taken so far? What lesson have we taken? What lessons have we taken?
We've taken binary, which is the bits, and then we've taken the ones and zeros.
Mm-hmm. And what about the other lessons?
And then what is a computer?
Yeah. What are the 4 things?
Input, store, process, output.
Great. And they represent data in binary. So who remembers anything about binary from last time? Because it's a review. What do you remember about binary? What do you remember about binary?
I remember how it get next to the last lesson that we had.
What was the last lesson?
The ones and zeros, where it was like, so it basically showed all the patterns that it was in. And just explain them.
Cool. So we're just going to review last lesson. Alright? So I'm going to teach y'all how to convert from binary to decimal and from decimal to binary. And by the end of the lesson, you should master what is binary. And you should know how to count in binary. Alright. So remember that the binary system uses zeros and ones. Bits, right? And you know how we count, right? 1 to 9. And we regroup after 9. And notice that we regroup after 9. So in binary, we regroup after 1. So 0, 1, and then 1, 0, and then 1, 1, and then 1, 0, 0, and so on. And 101, and 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 0, 1, 0. Cool. And y'all remember this, right? The place values. In decimal, we got 1s, 10s, 100s. In binary, you got 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s. Y'all remember all that? Y'all have pieces of paper? So we're going to go through. Alright, so here's some more examples. So when we count, we got 1, right? So 1 is 1. 1 in decimal is 1 in binary. And then 2 in decimal is 1, 0 in binary. Because it's the 2's place, right? And there's a 0 in the 1's place. And then 3 is 1, 1, because it's a 1 in the 1's place, and a 1 in the 2's place. Alright? And then a 4 is 1, 0, 0, because it's a 1 in the 4's place. And then a 5 is 1, 0, 1, because it's a 1 in the 4's place and a 1 in the 1's place. Anybody understand? Y'all good? You have questions? What's your question?
Why does it, instead of just 1, 10, 100, why does it add a 1?
Where?
It says 1, 10, 11. Why does it always add a 1?
What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. So
when you're counting, you go 1, and then you regroup after 9, so it's 10. And then it's 1, and it's 11. So how is it 11?
Because it's the same. It's the same
we
thing.
tend to say we are not say 1. This is
9
not
doesn't
10.
exist. So it's 1, and then so all these place value, right?
Yeah.
It's 1s. In decimal, you got 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, and so on. Each number has a different value. In binary, it's 1s. It's the 1's place.
2.
And then this is the 2's place. And then this is the 4's place.
Yeah.
And then this is the 8's place.
Different values.
I'm still confused.
What are you confused about? Let me see if I can answer your question.
No, I'm confused again in a different way. I thought it was 1s, 10s, 100s.
We can't say 10. We can't say 11.
It's 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s, and 32s. 64s, and then 128.
So it's just doubling.
Nah, it's powers of 2.
No, so it's doubling.
Because we only have 2 digits.
System. Decimal, 10. Binary, 2.
And we're going to take another system next time that has a couple more. Alright, so everybody got paper?
No.
You don't have paper? Grab some paper. And get that
Where's the
piece
paper
too.
at? Where's the paper?
It's right there. I'm gonna show y'all tricks and some patterns, right?
Yep.
So remember, this is a cool trick. You need to know remainders, but this is a cool trick that you're gonna learn, right? I looked it up.
I need big soup.
Alright.
Yeah, big.
So let's
Get
look
big.
at. So y'all know how to convert from binary to decimal, right? You read the sides. 2 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s, 32s, 64s, and 128s. Cool. And then now we're gonna look at the part that was confusing y'all last time, right? When you're trying to go from decimal to binary.
Yeah.
So there's a cool trick, right? Here's the trick, y'all. Ready? Okay, so what you're gonna do is take the number. Like here's an example. So we're gonna start with 20, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna divide it by 2, and put that number there. And then you're gonna put some parentheses. And then you're gonna put the remainder. Then you're gonna put a comma. And then you're gonna divide it by 2 again. And put that number there. And then you're gonna put some parentheses and put the remainder. And you're gonna divide it by 2 again. Notice how when we divide 5 by 2,
Okay.
there's a remainder of 1. Because 5 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 1, right?
So it's basically just division, and then the zeros is like the division.
No, it's the remainder. So 20 divided, what's 20 divided by 2?
20, 10.
Yeah, so you put the 10 here, and then there's 0 remainder. There's none remainder.
Okay.
And then what's 10 divided by 2?
The 5.
So you put the 5 there, and then 0 remainder. So there's no remainder. What's 5 divided by 2?
2 under 1
2
remaining.
and
2 and a remainder of 1?
yeah.
So you put the 2 right there, and then there's a 1 here because it's a remainder.
Oh, so it's just that's just the remainder.
Yeah, and then 1 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. And then 1 divided by 0. And then you read it backwards. So then you go 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And so that's the binary number. Make sure you read it backwards though. Because otherwise,
Why backwards?
because that's just how this trick works. Or technically you can read it forwards, but it like will hurt your head.
So it's better to read it backwards than forwards?
No. So the bits, you start with the furthest one
Yeah.
is your first bit. So just read it backwards. It's going to make life a whole lot easier. And then notice, you can change 1s, 2s, there's 4. And then there's 1 in the 16th. So you can check your work, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can check your work. Y'all want to go to another example? Let's try 13. Alright? What's 13 divided by 2? Anybody know what 13 divided by 2?
A 6 remainder 1.
Good job. So you're going to write that down. And then what's 6 divided by 2?
3.
What's 3 divided by 2?
2 remainder 1.
No, 1 divided by 1.
Whatever, 1 remainder 1.
And then what's 1 divided by 2? Is 0. Remainder 1. And so then you read it backwards. 1, 1, 0, 1. And that's your answer. And we can try 15. Y'all ready? And I want you to pay attention to these numbers. And pay attention to the colors. Because color code is important. It's going to make sense. Yeah, y'all want to do 15? Alright, what's 15 divided by 2 mean? What's 15 divided by 2?
7 is the remainder of 1.
Good. What's 7 divided by 2?
3 remainder 1.
Cool. What's 3 divided by 2?
Oh.
You.
1 remainder, right?
Good job. And then 1 divided by 2 is 0, remainder 1. And so that's 1.
What? If it's the remainder of 1, why don't you just add 1 to the 0?
What?
Never mind.
No, because that's why. Because I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to make sure y'all paying attention. Because y'all noticing a pattern yet? Y'all notice a pattern?
It's going down this time.
What pattern do you notice, Pete?
Every odd number ends with 1.
Yeah, good job, Pete. Big brain. Alright. Let's do 17. What's 17 divided by 2?
8 remainder 1.
Okay. What's 8 divided by 2?
4
Remainder 0.
You just say 4.
No, it's 4 remainder 0, because that 0 is important.
Okay.
Alright, what's 4 divided by 2?
2.
Remainder 0. Yep. Alright, what's 2 divided by 2?
1 remainder 0.
Cool. And then what's 1 divided by 2?
0 remainder 1.
Yes.
Good job.
Good job. And then what do y'all notice? This is important, because this is really important. Because this will make conversions easier.
All numbers end with 1.
Yeah. You know why they end with 1?
Because 1 is the odd number.
Yeah, one's place. Alright, y'all want to go over it again before we play the Kahoot?
Yeah, sure, actually.
Or do y'all want to try the Kahoot?
Let's try the Kahoot and then go
I'm
over
gonna
it.
try to
Y'all want to try the Kahoot?
Kahoot.
Alright, so remember, a bit represents 2 options, a 0 or a 1. Some of these questions are hard.
Huh?
Have fun. Try your best, you know.
Okay.
Let's see here. Hope this loads. Songs. Yo. Here we go. Play. Y'all ready to play Kahoot? Everybody got their stuff?
Uh-huh.
Don't turn it up.
Go ahead.
Y'all ready to play Kahoot?
What is my phone? This is my phone.
Let's see how well y'all do.
Kahoot is GH.
Oh, hold it. Thank you for that. Alright, everybody ready?
No, I'm not ready.
2671. 71. 59. 4 and
Ready to in the game?
let's go, let's go.
Who's high? Everybody in here? Can I start?
No.
This is 8-bit music.
What's up?
No. Every second is encoded in binary.
We have a limit time? This is
I
the
think
limit.
it's 240 seconds.
Tamash. Let's go. Help me.
Alright. Y'all ready? Everybody ready?
That's like 5
Yeah.
minutes.
Here you go. Go. Ready?
Ready.
You can take it. Alright, convert 44 into binary. Y'all remember this?
44?
Yeah. Try it on the paper.
44.
Or you can just brute force it. No, do it on the paper, man. Did you just guess?
Here's you.
5. 2.
Do it on the paper. Divide by 2 and then take the remainder. Divide by 2 and take the remainder. Divide by 2 and take the remainder.
0 0 1 1 0 1. What is it? Oh, the green one.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
You're the only person that got it right. Alright. Why is he the only person that got it right? Good
Who
job.
actually did the work?
You're supposed to do the work.
Because I have
I
a
gave y'all time to do the work.
paper. I
So
have
do the
a
work on your paper. Y'all need pencils?
Yeah.
There's pencils over in that cup over there. What did you throw? Throw something at him? Alright, come on. What are you doing, bro?
Let's go.
It's no square dance.
Alright, ready?
No.
Yeah.
Everybody got a pencil and stuff?
Yep.
Make sure y'all try to attempt it this time, you know?
Okay.
Let's see how this dude's in first place, my guy.
Help me. I'm
I-
in last place.
Here, you're gonna convert
Yeah.
1-1.
Huh?
You're gonna convert this binary number into decimal. Okay, ready?
Which one?
This one. Alright, so it's one's place is a 0, two's place is a 0, four's place is a 0.
How many zero?
It
How many?
16's place is a 0, 32 place is a 0, 64 is a 0. I kind of one,
How many?
3, 4, 6 zeros. And 2 ones.
1, 1.
1 1 with 6 zeros.
2,
So ones is a 0,
4,
two's is a 0, four's is a 0,
16,
8 is a 0,
38,
16 is a 0,
64,
32 is a 0, 64 is a 1, 128 is a 1.
128,
128 plus 64.
256, 257.
What are we talking about?
There is 257 here?
Nope.
Divided by 2.
I did, Mom.
120,
It's,
260.
you have an extra 0. It's only 6 zeros
6 zeros.
and 2 ones. So
Zero.
the ones place is a 0,
No. 0.
the two's place is a 0,
2. Wait.
the fourth place is a 0, the
Zero.
eighth place is a 0,
2,
the
4,
16th place is a 0,
8,
the 32's
16,
place is a 0. There's a
32,
1 in the 64's place,
64,
that's 64.
120, 129.
Not 129.
128, there's a 1 in the 128th place, and a 1 in the 64th place.
128,
So,
128.
anybody know?
Yeah, I know.
What
It's
is-
green.
I don't know.
It's either green or blue.
It's green. I did the math right here.
Wrong math.
Really?
128 plus 64,
Huh?
that's 188.
It's the right
It is
thing.
green. You're smart.
I
See,
know.
Georgie tried it.
I meant to click.
Good job. Y'all are trained it.
انا ما اعرفش بصراحة انا جبتها كده لان بس مش
Because it's like, let's go over. Y'all want to go over it? Let's do it. So it's a 0
No, I
in the
got it
ones
right. I
place.
just accidentally clicked 86.
Okay.
It's a 0 in the ones place. I'm going to go over it. It's a 0 in the ones place. And then a 0 in the twos place. And a 0 in the fourth place. And a 0 in the eighth place. And a 0 in the 16th place. Right here. And then a 0 in the 32 place. And then a 1 in the 64. And a 1 in the 128. So 128 plus 64 is 192. Did y'all get that? Cool.
I can see that.
Let's go.
Let's do this number. 1 1. Then a 0. Then another 1.
Wait, so 1, 2, 3,
1 1 0
1.
8.
Alright. So we got a
Three.
1 in the ones place. So that's 1.
I did it.
And
Three.
then a 1 in the twos place. So that's 3.
8
And then a 0 in the fourth place.
11
And then yeah.
Yep. I got it.
And then there's a 1 in the 16th place.
11 11 جبتها.
And
Correct.
1 in the 8th place. There you go.
Damn it.
Alright, let's do division one. Ready? 200 to binary, yo. Y'all ready?
Huh?
200. You have 200 in decimal. And you need to put it in the binary.
200 in decimal.
Yeah.
Let me try.
100.
No, do it on your paper. 200 divided by 2.
That's a lot of work.
Just do it, man.
Okay.
I gave y'all time.
0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1.
What token make you favorite?
The green one.
Why do you have to tell me the answer? Well, good job.
The green one.
No,
Wrong.
you
Damn,
flipped
I
them.
got it right.
You read it backwards.
No, I'm right,
I
but I
knew it
didn't
was
see it.
red. I knew it.
The green one is short.
Yeah.
It's 1 bit off. Good job.
Oh yeah, the green one has 2 ones. I didn't
Yeah.
see it. Okay. Wrong one.
Alright, I want to go over this one. Alright, so it's a 0 in the 1st place, a 0 in the 2th place, a 0 in the 4th place, a 1 in the 8th place, so it's 8, and then a 0 in the 16th place, a 0 in the 32nd place, and then 64 plus 8, that's 72, and then 72 plus 128 is 200.
Mm.
Alright, 20 into binary, y'all. We did this in the lesson. Y'all should know this.
What? 20?
20 into binary.
10 0 5 0 2 1 1 0
Yeah, I'm doing good.
1 0 0 1 0 1. What is it? Yeah, the red one. Red one.
Let's go. There you go.
Yeah,
All
right.
the champs, y'all. Y'all are getting it. Y'all starting to get it. Alright, I'll convert this binary into decimal. Ready?
No.
Huh?
This binary. Okay.
Bet.
1 1, and then 4 zeros, and then a 1.
What?
Alright.
1
1 1? How many zeros? 4?
8, 16.
Yep.
Wait, hold on.
1 0.
What is that? Is that 64 or 32? I can't see.
So it's a 1 in the 1
3,
place, a 1 in the 2's place,
4
a 0 in the
8
4th place, a 0
16
in the 8's place,
32
0 in the 16th
64
I
place,
already got it.
a 0 in the 32,
67.
a 1
I know it.
67.
I was right. Let's go.
The blue one.
Let's do it. Let's see if y'all get it right. Yes. Good job.
I am right. I was first
Y'all
right.
are actually learning something.
I'm
Wait
gonna
till
pass
this.
me now.
Are y'all ready? Alright, this number in decimal. Let's go.
Huh?
4 ones.
Mm-hmm.
If you
1
paid attention
1
to the lesson,
1
you should
1 1 2 4 8 3 7 15.
I got it. Yes, let's go. I got it.
Now, if y'all paid in the lesson, you could have eliminated. Which 2 did y'all
15.
eliminate?
What?
Which 2 did y'all eliminate?
16 and 13 first. No, actually 16 and 18.
Why?
16 and 8. Because
Good.
those two added up together. And then 13 I was like 2 behind. And I already had 3. So it couldn't be 13. So it was the only answer left was 15.
Oh, you know why you got rid of 16 and 8?
Yeah, because they're like too much. Cause
No.
if you do math, can I go to the board?
Sure.
All right. So
Point all
if you
you
do those 2, it's 3, and so you already have 4, so it's 7,
Oh, okay.
and that's already 8, so it's 7 plus 8.
Oh.
Good job.
Nah, but you know why you should have eliminated these 2? If you paid attention to the lesson, you would know why to eliminate 16 and 8.
Go ahead.
What type of numbers are 16 and 8?
They're equal.
No.
Next.
And what number does it? What bit does this start with?
1, so it's not.
It can't be even. Alright, 100 in the binary, y'all. Let's see how well y'all do.
100.
Eighth question.
This is gonna suck.
This is binary.
Yep. Decimal binary. It's
Whoa.
100, and you want to put it.
100 decimal to binary. Okay.
Yeah.
100 50 0
Yup.
25
1.
0 12 1 6 0 3 0 1 1 1
25.
0 0 1 0 0 1 1.
Somebody check Daddy's work, y'all.
Which one?
Make sure y'all check Daddy's work.
0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. What is it? 1 1. The brown one.
Oh well, guess I'm wrong.
The brown one. Ah.
Good job. Good job.
I knew it. So
Everybody good?
Stupid. No.
Okay.
I am
more questions.
mentally
Alright, we got this one. This binary number into decimal number.
What is it?
5 zeros,
Hmm?
and then a 1.
0, 0?
Yeah.
5?
So it's a 0 in the ones place.
5 zeros?
Yep.
And 1?
Yep.
And 0, 0.
The power of
0, 2,
1s,
4,
2s,
8,
4s, 8,
16, 32. Green one. Wait.
I want to pass me
No,
this so
I
bad.
did.
I need to pass me.
Good.
There you go.
No!
Alright, convert 5 into binary. We did this in the lesson.
Yeah.
Y'all should know this. 5 to binary.
5 to binary. 5 to binary. 1, 2, 1.
Oh.
1, 0.
It's
One.
easy. Just look at the
0,
numbers.
1,
It's easy.
0.
It's easy.
The brown one.
Yep, I was first. It's so easy. It's
Good job. Shady got first place. Good job, y'all. Y'all like the lesson?
Yep.
Y'all excited for next time's lesson?
No,
Why?
because I don't like computers. They're too complicated.
We're gonna start with hexadecimal next time.
I don't even know what that word means,
No,
but it
stop.
sounds really boring.
Alright. Alright, already?
Nope. Is that it?
Y'all wanna go to the PowerPoint again or is that it?
We're done.
Yeah, we done. Bye, y'all.